Alright, Rich, this video is for you in New Jersey. This is how we're getting our driveway cleared. The town hasn't come around and done the road yet, but our friend Dave has graciously come up with his backhoe, made a path in the road, and is doing our driveway. And that is what we call the blizzard of 2013. Thanks, Dave. There it is. I'm narrating. Daddy's laughing. Something funny's happening out there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There he goes. Dave, you're a rock star in my book. Here he comes one more time. Bring it down. There it is.
Don't hurt the snow.
Oh, honey, I'm not worried about the snow. Look at that. Look at the path he made in the road. What do you call this?
I call it pick up the lamp and throw it in the trash.
That's it. We call it the blizzard of 2013.
I call it the pick up lamp and throw it in the trash.
Nice. Oh, that didn't sound good.
My icky little sister.
What?
Icky little sister.
Thank God she's napping, or she'd be out there driving the backhoe. That doesn't sound